Good morning, children. How are you all? I'm fine and I hope that you are also fine. I know that you all love to do art and craft, isn't it? So today I have brought an interesting idea of preparing a lotus using papers. Okay, are we ready for it? But children, one thing you tell me that from where do we get these papers? Yes, we get it from trees, isn't it? And children, papers are very important. Do not waste them. Okay? Whatever the sheets are available at your home, try to use them only. Okay? For preparing a lotus using paper, we require a single sheet. Okay? And a glue and a ruler. Now here we go. At first tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is rectangular in shape, isn't it? Now we need to make it a square one, and for this we need to fold it like this. Do it properly. Yes, children, like this. And it is my request to the parents that please help your child while doing it so that they can do nicely. And children, from here, fold it like this. Okay. And with the help of ruler, cut it like this. Okay. Very easy. Now keep this one safely here. Okay. Now which shape is this? This is a square, isn't it? Now fold it like this. And now which shape is this? This is triangle, and a triangle has three sides. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now place it like this. Again make a small triangle like this. Yes. And now again make a fold over here. Fold it properly. Now, yes. Open it. Can you see the lines? Can you see the lines over here? Yes, so many. Now place it properly in front of you like this. Okay. And now from here, hold it properly and keep it like this. Okay. Repeat this here also. Very good. Now children, keep your thing on your table like this. Okay. Now hold it and place it like this. Okay, hold it. Now place it like this. Do it again at the back also. Hold it and place it properly. Okay, as I am doing. Now, can you see it? Yes. Uneven surface. Now make it a plain one. Is it clear? Now, again at the back, can you see the uneven surface? Yes. Now make it a plain one. Okay. Now children, very interesting that can you see a hole over here? Yes. Yes, it is. And this end doesn't has hole. Okay. Now from here we will make a small triangle once again. Okay. Once again. At the back also we are going to repeat the things again. Okay. You have to make it like this. Now children, here. Can you see the gap over here? Place it properly. Fix it like this. Yes. Here also once again. Do it. Very good. Now, I have told you Can you see the hole over here? Yes. Now blow it properly. Okay. Now very gently peel it off. Okay. Yes. Here we go. This is my beautiful lotus, isn't it? Now I'm keeping it safely over here. Now I'm going to make stick of that. Okay. So how we will do this? Yes. Okay. From here you have to roll it. See how am I doing it? See? Yes, like this. Okay. Roll it. And with the help of glue, okay, you will stick like this. Okay, this is ready. Okay, now try to fix it here. Okay, here is my beautiful lotus. My lotus is ready. And children, I have prepared so many lotuses for you. Can you see this? Yes, this is very beautiful and I hope that you like it. And children, you can give it to your family members, your parents and your friends as well. Okay, and you can help your mother in decorating house also. How? See, like this. Isn't it looking beautiful, children? Yes, very, very beautiful. So children, keep smiling and be happy, okay? And be safe, isn't it? Thank you and have a nice day.